Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 19, time, Terminal Block Breakout FeatherWing, Mk07. Terminal Block Breakout FeatherWing. The Terminal Block Breakout FeatherWing kit is like the of prototyping FeatherWings. To start, you get a nice prototyping area underneath your feather, with extra pads for ground, 3.3V and SDA/SCL. There's also 4 mounting holes so you can attach the breakout to your enclosure or project. This product works with all our feathers. The terminal blocks allow you to connect to any of the external feather pins, great for wiring temporary or permanent installations. We also give you a few extra terminal block pins for ground and 3.3V connections since those are so useful. FeatherWing Proto. This is the FeatherWing Proto, a prototyping add-on for all feather boards. This has a duplicate breakout for each pin on a feather, as well as a bunch of plain grid proto holes. For GND and 3.3V, we give you a strip of connected pads. There's plenty of room for buttons, indicator LEDs, or anything for your portable project. The FeatherWing Proto makes an ideal partner for any of our feather boards.
Sensor for time and date and this too. Arduino thing, battery, display. Here, GPS, pins for this, time and date, and memory, and LEDs and switch. Simple. This same thing before, so good. Humidity, time, latitude, better pressure, perfect. This O2 and this, perfect. This perfect here. From GPS here. Time and date. Return switch here. And card for here. And this. Now the here the Arduino here. Is good. Here the time and date and memory here. This memory here. GPS here. Here. First here. This. Now here is good. Here screws here, screws here, and here screws 1, 2, Now the screws good. This here is good, and battery. And that's it. Now the ear is good. Two minutes for now the GPS and this perfect, and now go to mirror the card and wait 2 minutes and back. Simple. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Zoom. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.